So what's the best way to treat dry eyes? I get this question all the time, and with all the information out there, it's easy to not know where to turn. Let me make this simple and quick and give you an easy answer. Now, simply put, IPL is the gold standard of dry eye treatment. I utilize home therapies, pharmaceuticals when necessary, but if you're looking for the easy, biggest bang for your buck answer, IPL is the answer I have for you. Now the good news is IPL by itself will give you the most bang for your buck, but we have more options than just IPL. We have heat-based therapies, we have lid cleaning therapies. There's a ton of stuff that we can do that make IPL better. In a journal article found in Photobiomodulation, Photomedicine, and Laser Surgery, they looked at this exact question. Now let me give you the 3 buckets of people that were in this study. Bucket 1 got IPL. They did it 3 times at day 0, day 21, and day 42, and then they got results at day 84. Bucket 2 did the same thing with IPL. 3 treatments, just 12 pulses. Only 12 pulses. And they also did a heat mask every day for 20 minutes. And then bucket 3 did nothing. I say nothing. How many of you have dry eye and you're doing nothing? This was you. This was your bucket. Now, bucket 1 and bucket 2, all they could do is the IPL or the IPL and the heat therapy. They didn't do artificial tears. They didn't do anything else. Well, at day 84, the awesome thing was IPL by itself showed an improvement in the signs and symptoms of dry eye. This is amazing. Just 12 pulses and 3 treatments improve their signs and symptoms. That's awesome. That's why I say it's the gold standard for what we do. Now, even better, the IPL with the heat therapy saw an even bigger improvement than IPL by itself. And guess what? That third bucket that didn't do anything, didn't see any results, they actually got worse. Imagine that. If you're doing nothing for your dry eye, you're not going to get better, you're only going to get worse. It'd be okay if you stayed the same, but hear me when I say you are going to get worse. So we have to do something. Now, a lot of offices will do IPL by itself. Well, this study confirms what I've always believed, what we do at our office. We do IPL with heat therapy, with home therapies. We are maximizing the benefit to give you the best possible outcome. But if you're looking for simple, easy answers, take this away. IPL by itself will improve your signs and symptoms. The lowest hanging fruit, the easiest thing for you to do is get IPL. Remember, at our office, we'll also do a heat therapy in office, so it's a low commitment for you. You show up, we'll take care of your problems. Now, if you add home therapy to any regimen, you're going to see better results. And lastly, if you do nothing, you're not going to stay the same, you're going to get worse. So do something. If you have questions, leave them in the comments below. We will give you answers. If you come in for an exam, we address dry eye at every visit. Give us a shout, we will help you out. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.